Hey, 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 welcome back to Check Out the Rileys. Hey, this evening, I had to find something to eat, and we had happened to go through one of our belly buying boxes and found a couple cans of this. Well, we got Hormel, we got the chili, chunky beef chili. No beans. Check it out. Look at that. Oh, yeah. It's a bad boy. Something we shipped over here, right? And then we had some mild chili beans. No chili, right? So I got two ingredients. This is the way I cook, people. So I'm jealous of watching everybody making their cook videos. So I'm going to show you how we cook it up. You might learn how I got so fat. But we're going to have what they call here, look at this. They call it cream bread, not white bread. It's cream bread. Busta ka.
Busog ka sa sustansya.
Yeah, substantia. Yeah. Anyways, it means you're filled with nutrients, right? It's eat enough of the bread, it's like drinking some milk. 4 slices of bread, 1 glass of milk. So we're gonna do this and throw it on top of some of this, and that's how we're gonna make up Bill's dinner tonight. Check it out. So here we go, folks. We got the fire flaming over here on the stove. Here's the chili. See, it looks delicious in there. So here we go. You can tell it's cooking over top of gas. Ooh. I got the whole area hot. Stuff is in the can good. Sorry. I think my light is kind of low. Bam!
You had to stay it like this.
Gotta hold it?
Yeah.
What kind of burner is that? How can I show people my masterpiece if I gotta hold the light? Look at that. Look how delicious that's looking already. And then, folks, hold on. I'm gonna drain these a little bit. And here's my beans. Beans, they're good for your heart. The more you eat, the more you fart. Bam. Now I know what's about to happen, everybody. The kids, they already ate their food and everything. But when they smell my chili and beans, they're going to be like, Dad's cooking. I got to get some of that. Watch them. You guys are about to see. They're going to smell some of Dad's famous throw something together cooking show here. Now this takes me back to the days if Mercy was working and stuff, and I cooked when she was working, and she cooked when I was working. So we traded off, but this was something like I would throw together for us. She would cook a good meal, and then I'd throw together something like this. Like, man. But I just tell her it's like traditional American food. She wouldn't know the difference. Joke. I did make chili though sometimes too. Regular chili, not canned. So yeah, we're just trying to. What I'm looking for here is, you see how the beans and the chili is blending together so good? So I'm just looking for them to blend together and get warm so we can tear them up and eat it up. All right, we're back. We're all warmed up. It's good to go. It's nice and hot. You see, I threw down the bread. You know, because that's how we roll. I don't have no red hot dogs today, so I can't put no hot dogs and cheese or nothing fancy. So we just got the chili and we got the bread. That's how we do it in the hood. Look at that. Look at that. Noticed I'm just dipping right out of the pot. I'm not putting it in another dish to dirty up. I'm trying to save as much stuff as I can to get that nice and thick. What are you smelling? Look at that face, Mama, over there. Look, did you smell what Dad's cooking?
I don't know, but
Does it smell good?
looks good.
Yeah. Does it remind you of something?
Beans?
Yeah, some beans. Beans. Magical fuel. The more you eat, the more you do.
I know.
Look at that, people. Look at that. Okay. Put that back down there. So we got our beautiful dishes served up here. Look at that. What?
There's some on out of it.
Yeah.
Like out of it. And I need the same. Shedding.
All right, guys. Let's give it the old test. Gotta plug that in for me, son.
Where's the plug?
It's under there. All right. Sorry, my hair is going everywhere now.
Oh, I found it.
Oh yeah. That is good stuff. Now this is cooking with, check out the Rayleighs. You want to know how you get fat and how you stay fat? Look how I cook this stuff up. This one will be mine. This one is, the kids will be yelling for it here in a second. So anyways, if you guys got any comments, questions, how I made it, anything like that, let me know in the comments, okay? Don't forget to hit the like on our cooking show here. And as always, check out the Rileys. Bye, guys.